Hello, my name is Maureen Gadhiga. I'll be taking you through my SQL Workbench installation. Welcome and happy learning. On your browser, Google the word MySQL Workbench. Having done that, click on the first link. After doing this, this is the window that will pop up. We have mysql.com downloads and documentation, then developer zone. So click on downloads. Click on downloads. Under downloads, this is the window that will open. We have two versions of MySQL. We have the Web Community Edition and Community Edition. So the first one, if you'll be working with MySQL in real time, you will download the first one. Then when you want to work with MySQL locally or offline, you'll use the second one. So for this class, we will be using the second one. Download the 422.4 M. Now our SQL is in our local files, the downloads. So double click to open. Double click to open. After doing that and following some few steps, we have choosing a setup type. We have the 5 setup type. We have developer defaults. Under the developer default, we have this is where we install all the products needed for my SQL development purposes, like creating applications. We have server only, which installs only my SQL server product. We have client only, which installs only my SQL client products without a server. We have the full setup, which installs all included my SQL products and features. We have custom, where you can select or customize your products. Note that at the initial installation, choosing any product cannot limit you later to select another product. So for this class, we will use the custom setup. So choose the custom setup and click next. Thank you. So those are the first few steps. Let's proceed to the next steps.